Morning. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. It's been a while. It's been months actually. Been a little busy. We had a baby back several months ago. He's 6 months old now. We recently picked up a camper. We're gonna go camping with our children. We've just been busy. I've been hauling dumpsters like usual. I've been hauling equipment for my dad's construction company. I've been working for my dad quite a bit. I've been working at the store still. It's just been a busy life, and I'm sorry I haven't picked up the camera since we had our newest son. I have just took a big break from social media and everything else, and so I thought, well, I've been needing to pick one up for a while and talk to you guys, so I apologize it's been so long, but here I am finally. So I've got green bean on here this morning. It's actually got a partial load of scrap in it, and I'm gonna continue loading scrap. I'll show you my little pile over here. I've been accumulating a little scrap pile here from dumpster jobs. I've had some customers actually delivered to my house, believe it or not. They ask where's a good place to get rid of scrap. I say, well, bring it here. I'll take it for free with them hauling it and them unloading it. So I'm gonna drop green bean here. I know my truck's running, it's kind of loud. I'm gonna drop green bean here. I'm gonna load scrap sometime later, but I gotta go get my 20-yard dumpster. Pick it up and dump it. It's due this morning, and then after that I'll come back here. This is my house. I'll pick up this 40-foot gooseneck. Once I get the 40 hooked up to the truck, then I'm gonna haul. You can see in here, I know the sun's bright this morning, which is nice. Gotta haul a Kubota tractor, Kubota Excavator Mini X, and take it over to Madison, which is about an hour and 15 minutes from here. So yeah, I got a full day this morning today. I'm gonna start off with some dumpsters since my dumpster trailer's already hooked up and they're due already, and there's no hurry on this equipment, so I'll haul it here in a little bit. But thank you guys for watching, and thank you for all the comments and questions. I appreciate that on these older videos. I enjoy people asking how I do this or how I do that or how the business works and all that. So I appreciate all those. Don't be afraid to ask me anything. I'll answer it if I can. So here we go. We're getting on the road. I guess I'll close up for now. And I'll come back and load equipment here in a little bit. But for now, lock and load. I'm just now realizing I did not have my dumpster trailer plugged in over the weekend, which it should stay charged. During the summer and fall last year, it did great. I go weeks at a time without having to charge it, but through the winter it's been like not very good. I've had to charge it every time I'm parked. Which is understandable, because batteries in cold weather don't usually mix. Gotta get used to the one-handed operation again here. I've been spoiled here lately, just doing it without worrying about the camera. No offense, guys, but it is some extra work, which is fine. I'm not complaining. And the phone's ringing. Got green bean set, but here comes one of my best friends in the whole wide world to bring me my water I left on the counter.
Cupid, stop!
Thank you, bub. I love you.
Love you. Mommy said I have to walk Cupid.
Yeah, because I'm getting ready to leave in the trailer and I don't want to squish him. Okay?
So, Mommy had to put him on the leash.
Okay. Thank you for bringing my water, buddy.
Cupid, what are you doing? Cupid.
There There's my big girl. She is heavy. I knew it was gonna be roofing stuff, so I knew what I was getting into on this one. Shingles and whatnot. Just want to take a moment to look at how clean my rig is right now. It's not that clean, but it's about to get a lot worse. Not landfill. Local landfill here has just been a nightmare lately. As I'll show you here in just a minute, unless something's changed, which I doubt it has. So that's where we're off to next. I've arrived. Can you smell it? Four-wheel drive time. And it rained for a week. Still just as muddy and sloppy as can be. Very nice. Kind of like that. I didn't film it obviously, but I got Silver Bullet dropped off here in a storage spot at my store. I don't have it scheduled out right now, real soon, so I'm just gonna drop it and go, because I've got to drop this trailer at home and get onto the 40-foot gooseneck trailer. So I thought I'd just leave the bin here in town while I'm here in town. So that's all the dumpstering I got for now. I got another one to pick up tomorrow, but I will go get the 40-footer now, load up the equipment, and get it on the road. All right, so a few plans have changed since I last talked to you. It's the same day, but it's later. It's dark. I just pulled out the tractor and the excavator. Got them all loaded up on the 40-foot trailer. I'll show you what I can. It's dark, so this GoPro's not picking up a whole heck of a lot, but I'm getting ready to chain and binder everything down. Get ready to leave about 6 o'clock in the morning to head east for me to get this equipment delivered and use the equipment. I'll show you as much as I can, or as much as I want to. I'll be working with some other people on things, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Like I said, this next clip may be me showing you binding things down. It may not. Depends on if you can see or not. So hang in there either way. Don't go. Don't leave me now. Come on now. Come on. There's the rig. Like I said, I'll set you up and see what you can see. Good morning. It's a new day for me, same day for you. Got my equipment on the back here. Stopped by a train. Something that's cool to me is the middle engine. Something I don't get to see very often. It's kind of cool to get stuck by a train at 6:30 in the morning. So I am halfway through my journey this morning hauling the excavator and the tractor. Got them in tow back there. It's still pretty stinking dark outside, but roll up the window so it's a little quieter. Just come across this train and thought it was cool, and I'd update you guys. So got a big day ahead. I'll show you what I can when I get there and get unloaded and start working the Mini, hopefully. But yeah, this train is moving on. I don't know how fast he's going, but he's moving on. The end of it. Alright, I just got here to my location. I've got all my chains and binders pulled off here. Got them running and warming up. I apologize for the noise. It's pretty noisy out here with traffic, plus my equipment running. So when I get things pulled off of here, I'll find a good spot to set you guys. All right, y'all, so it's a new day. My camera, my GoPro for one wouldn't work. The battery was too cold, I guess. It kept saying the battery dead, turning off, even though it was like 90% charged. So anyway, when it finally did get warm enough outside, I got a little bit there, which I don't know yet because I haven't looked back to edit the video, but then my SD card got full. So can't win from losing, I guess. But anyway, and that's the only card I had with me. So anyway, like I said, this is a new day. I got back to home, got the 40-foot trailer unloaded. Actually got hung up in the yard. You missed all of that because I didn't record any of it, so hand out the way. Not used to recording on the phone. But anyway, so I just wanted to come out here and give an outro, I guess, since I failed and didn't get anything. So hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one to see what all we're getting into. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one.